Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can make it so that people can't see that you have viewed their profile in the TikTok app. Please subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So, let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, you will need to go to your profile. After that, in the top right corner, click on the three bars. Next is Settings and Privacy. Then go to Privacy, scroll down to the bottom. And you'll find a feature here called Profile View. And the next thing you'll need to do is turn off this feature here, which is called Profile View History. That way, people will no longer see that you viewed their TikTok profile, and you can preserve that anonymity, so to speak, of looking at other people's profiles. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you. You have seen how very easy it is to make it so that people can't see that you have viewed their profile in the TikTok app. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes and write comments. See you soon.